Uh-oh. You have a problem?
Not allowed, boss.
No? What are you gonna do?
So sa mga hindi nakakilala sa kanya, no, siya nga pala si Baytali. Ewan ko paano bigkasin yan. Baytali, ano? At yung apelyido niya mahirap bigkasin. Ito yung Facebook page na, no, basahin niyo na lang. Bali isa siyang Russian vlogger, ano, na nandito ngayon sa Pilipinas na gumagawa ng, alam niyo na, mga katarantaduhan, mga kalokohan dito sa Pilipinas, which is kumukuha na siya, no, ginagamit niya na yung mga Pilipino bilang views, ginagawa niya pang katuwaan, ano. Etong si Baytali, ano, na ano na to nakulong na to sa ibang bansa, and ngayon is nahuli na siya ng CIDG. Ngayon panoorin naman natin yung ibang mga video, ano, na ginagawa niyang katawa-tawa yung mga kababayan nating Pilipino. Panoorin natin to.
I give you money. Bro, the police is here. They're watching. Give me. I pay. Explain to him what's gonna happen. Okay,
gusto niyang kuhain yung motorsiklo ng isang kababayan natin.
I'm going with you.
No.
I'm going with you.
Oh my God.
I'm going with you.
telling you.
I'm done.
No. Meron ako inaantay ko.
I take it here for a spin.
No.
Give me, boss, I give you $50. Okay.
No.
Turn it on.
No.
Turn it on.
No.
Tingnan nyo gano'ng kabastos.
This is GTA, motherfucker. 6. It came out early.
No.
Let me get it. Take me a ride. I give him $50.
We're going in. We're gonna buy materials for our...
So inoopera niya yung dalawang bata na to, ano, ng $50 kapalit ng pag-ride sa kanyang motor, no? Ginagamit niya yung pera niya.
Money or not? I don't ask you for money. I just wanted a ride. Can you give me a ride? Okay, I thought he was a Gojek driver. I'm so sorry. Okay, God bless you, sir. I'm sorry. See you. Bye.
Security probably.
Bye. Watch this.
What's
I'm so sorry. Come here. Bye. You better fucking drive fast. You better drive.
Nahabol niya pa?
You better drive.
God. Guys, you see?
What is this?
So, diba?
This is real Vitaly. Nothing is stupid in his life.
Tignan nyo gano'ng kabastos yung tao na yan. Just for the views lang yan.
He's just crazy.
Spider-Man returns.
So eto, no, ito yung pinaka nakakainis, nakakabuisit, ano. Meron siyang kasamang, ewan ko kung dalawa lang to, no. Dalawang Pilipino at Pilipina. Itong isang lalaki na sa jeep na to, no. Siya yung nakikipag-usap dun sa driver at pasahero sa ginagawa nitong kagaguhan ng Russian vlogger na to. Tapos yung Pilipina naman yung nag-video. Napaka-immoral na tao na to, no? Meron pa dito isa pang video. Buksan natin yan.
Okay, because you got a COVID mask, you liberal fuck. Go get your vaccine. I was trying to give you money, but alright. Trying to be nicer. You. No, yeah.
Nagawa niya ng federal security guard.
Di Saltik.
Tignan niyo, tumakbo pa talaga siya, no? Panoorin natin ulit dito sa umpisa. Para mas maintindihan nyo, ano, lagyan natin ng boses.
Okay, because you got a COVID mask, you liberal fuck. Go get your vaccine. I was trying to give you money, but alright. Trying to be nicer. You. No, yeah.
Di Saltik.
Tignan nyo naman gano'ng kabastos yung vlogger na yun, ano?
Shut up. Shut the fuck up.
Please.
Yes?
Not allowed, boss.
No? What are you gonna do? Hello.
Sa BGC na nangyari, ano?
Hello. Paparazzi, you are blessing God on a paparazzi. Razzi! Papa! Papa! Razzi!
Grabe yung mga pambabastos na ginawa niya, no? Dito pa tayo sa isa, panoorin pa natin to. Marami tong mga video, no? Na which is, ewan ko kung nabigyan to ng action ng pamahalaan, ano? Itong mga ganitong mga pangyayari, which is nakabastos talaga. Ito pa, simulan natin ulit sa simula.
The rock formations.
Ito nangyari sa Boracay ito.
If we're already there, we're gonna be practicing it.
Boracay ito, which is parang magta-try siya magkayak.
5 minutes to understand how to take off the boards using our knees. So this is like most important. Okay? Avoid some accidents, okay?
Oh, we still going? Yeah, done? Go, let's go.
I'm just
No, I'm joking with you. Come on, boss.
no, I'm just so if we're already there now with the designated area, teaching also.
Let's go, boss. Let's go.
Now, we need to learn first the technique of this kind of boards.
Wow, okay.
Okay, sir?
Oh, yeah, teach me.
Avoid some accidents. Because sometimes we're just like...
Yeah.
So knees position is always in this area.
Yeah, oh, you want me on my knees, huh? Like this?
Knees position.
Like that? Okay, how do you want me? Okay.
Position.
Uh-huh.
Okay?
Yeah.
So kneeling position is always in this area.
Uh-huh.
And then how to understand how to play the boards using your knees. So you need to do like leaning backward,
Oh, really? Yeah,
leaning
yeah.
forward.
Okay, so you want me to like ride you like a reverse cowgirl? Okay.
So lean backward and
Uh-huh.
But for tearing, you need to do like leaning your body on the side by side or
Oh, so you want to put it sideways? Okay.
okay, so,
Okay, perfect.
okay. For standing position, don't try to stand up like quickly. So you need to do like step by step how to stand up properly.
Yes, sir.
It's up to you if you're riding like normal.
I'm
foot.
goofy.
Goofy. Okay, so for goofy, so while you're pressing the trigger to have some constant speed, hold.
What? What are you saying? Now you're going too fast.
Okay, so while if you want to stand up, right
Okay,
now,
so I'm gonna go like this, right? Start like this.
pushing on the front side,
Yes.
holding on the side.
Yes.
Pushing your front.
Yeah, get up, yeah. Yeah, that's what surfing is. I know how to surf.
Okay. Let's start.
Give me the remote and let's go.
Tingnan nyo naman gano'ng kabastos, ano? Even though alam mo na kung paano yung isang bagay, ano, why not makinig, ano? Hindi naman yan magtatagal, hindi naman yata yan, kung sabihin natin is merong oras yung paggamit ng equipment na yan, ano, malamang siguro is discounted yung oras, no? Bawas yung oras dun sa tinuturo, ano, sa linelecture ni Kuya dito. Napakabastardo naman, ano.
Go wash yourself.
No, it's
So, meron pa ditong isang video, panorin din natin to. Medyo mahaba-haba to. Eto na. So, lagyan din natin ng boses para naman marinig nyo yung mga ginawa niya dito.
Sir, I have a question.
Yes, sir.
I have a very important question for you.
So, sa BGC pa
No,
to
this is
nangyari.
for documentation team about Philippines. I have a very important question for you. Can I shove this up your...
What?
Can I put this in you? It's a
Grabe
call
ka
new
bastos,
video game. Mario Kart Infinity 360.
This is a 33-year-old man harassing multiple.
Hulihin mo, kuya. Hulihin mo.
Bakit nakatunga ka lang?
Hulihin mo yan.
Bakit nakatunga ka lang
The cop
HPG?
doesn't want to do anything. He's just. Why does he not? He's too nice.
Boss, I want you to chase me.
To chase me.
Can I have a hug? Love for you. You mad at me? Okay. Look at that. Sorry. I'm gay.
The girls are in the bathroom.
Yeah.
Boss, this is... Explain to him this is...
Explain.
Hey, tell him I have a retardation... I'm autistic.
See?
I'm gonna steal his hat and run
Ito yung
away.
nakakabobo, ano? Ito yung nakakakupal. Meron siyang mga kasamang mga Pinay na tinatolerate yung ginagawa niya.
Bad idea?
Bad idea, but no, that's on
Sa
you.
BGC to,
Bad
sa BGC
idea,
to
but
nangyari.
Arrested or no?
maybe.
Excuse me, sir. Security, come here. I have a question for you. Can I give you a kiss? No, I have a question for you. I'm the new general in town. They doubted me.
See, just for the views.
They say keep it, speed run, jail time.
Boss, I want to change. I'm sorry. Can I change? I'm just kidding. Sir, I'm joking.
Ito yung kaya napakababa ng tingin ng ibang mga tao, ibang mga bansa sa Pilipino dahil dito sa mga kapwa natin Pilipino. Hay nako.
Sir, listen to me.
Yes, sir.
Dispatch. Dispatch. I'm a homosexual.
Bakit pa tayo nito?
I should probably
They're
go.
telling me to turn it off.
But you're gonna turn it off, right?
No, it's
Let's get
not.
out of here because they're calling for backup. Yes.
Bakit yung Pilipino nakipag-negosyasyon dito, no?
What are you gonna do?
See?
Hello.
Hold it. Let me
Hello.
hold it.
Hello.
Let me hold it.
Hello. 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 Papa. Paparazzi. You are besting twice on a paparazzi. 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 You are my queen. Paparazzi. You're following us. Bye. Paparazzi. 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 They won't recognize me.
They're gonna call more security with that one.
It's fine. I look like a different person. Oh, dude, we got it.
Shangri-La is here.
Shove it up, man. Shove it up, man. Shove it up, man.
Pasensya na kuya.
But they don't give a.
Yeah, here.
It's my mom that's making it. I got it. That's it. I know where we're at. Just go around in front of her and zoom in.
Grabe naman to.
I just want, that's my only fan left in the chat. Come on, come in front of me, bro. Since I don't have any fans, since I fell off my only fan, bro. Coming through. Bye. Come, Sky. There's a problem. You can talk to me later. I'm hot.
Shangri-La po, nasan?
Yes, boss. What?
Saan po Shangri-La kuya? Shangri-La?
So, bro, I know where we are.
Okay.
Don't you want to scam me?
Ooh, damn, this is cardio today, chat. Ain't that some shit?
Film it. Film it.
All right.
Boss, let me see.
Oh my God, so many laws have been broken today.
Grabe naman itong mga ginagawa niya, no? See? Oh, may nabunggo pa.
Shit. Oh, shit.
Nabunggo pa ng gate.
Shit. Accident.
Nalitado talaga itong vlogger nito. Oh, ba't may lalabas ng pera? Oh?
I didn't hit his boy. He's lying.
Ano, may hawak-hawak ng pera? Oh, what the f***?
Gotcha!
Grabe, napakakupal ng Russian vlogger na to. Nakita niyo naman, may nabunggot. Tapos meron na siyang kasamang mga Pilipino at Pilipino, which is kapag may problema is binibigyan niya lang ng pera. No? Ganun na baka baba yung mga Pilipino. No? Tamang bigay lang ng pera. So ito pala yung Facebook page niya. No? Ito yung Facebook account niya. And nasa sa inyo lang kung anong gusto nyo gawin. Ano? Pwede kayong mag-comment. Although marami siyang tinutulungan, pero mas marami yata siyang Mas marami siyang ginagawa at binabastos dito sa bansang Pilipinas natin, which is sampal sa mukha yun, ano, at nagagawa niya lang bayaran ng pera yung mga taong ginagawa niya ng kalokohan. And although na huli naman na ito ng CIDG, ano, at pinag-aaralan pa, sabi ng mga pulis, yung magiging kaso niya,